DADDYGVILLE'S world.
What's up, everyone? Today, this video is for replacing the light bulb in your stove. Don't you just hate when you're baking something and your oven light just burns out? You flip the switch on and nothing. So, you flip it more because now you're annoyed. Now, you gotta open the oven door, letting the heat out to see the progress of your food, which will now take longer to get up to temp. You push the door sensor like maybe it's stuck, but it's not. Now, before starting any of this, make sure your oven is off and cool. Let's jump into it. Now, open your oven. Top left, here's your bulb location, under a glass dome. The only thing holding it in place is a metal clip. Now, when you go to remove the clip, hold the glass dome as well, so it doesn't fall and break. Now, just reach in and hold the globe, pushing back on the clip with your thumb, exposing the bulb. Also, while you got it out, clean it. Now, remove your old bulb by turning it counterclockwise. This here is the 40-watt clear bulb that I will be using. Put the new bulb in by turning it clockwise. The light will automatically come on because the oven door is open. Slide the globe back into place, pull the clip back over it, and you're done. Now, when you open the door or turn on the switch, you will have light. Thanks for watching.
DADDYGVILLE'S world.